We are in JCPenny, which is also very alive and well. Oh look, another Schindler MT, my favorite! Oh, wow. Yeah, this one looks like the lights could be replaced a little bit. Red arrow, which is odd. I didn't even notice. Alright, going down to 1. Get a little cab view. A little bit dim. That's probably, but again, that's why that's the reason only of the, yeah. What I'm trying to say is there are only 2 lights working. Oh, that's burnt out. Anyway. Oh yeah, this is elevator number 1. We were just in elevator number 4, which was the last one. But yeah, only 2 of the lights work. Ooh. Yes, that Schindler sound. But yeah, only 2 of the 6 lights were working, so yeah. Yeah. Could use a little bit of maintenance, but I still like it.